How to find interactions, notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find interactions, notifications on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find the storylines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy and scroll down. Here you will find this one, push notifications. Just click on it and here you will find interactions, and as you see here you can manage interactions, push notifications, just manage here anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.